Understanding direct motion in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of direct motion in the English language. This phrase might sound complex, but with a few examples and explanations, you'll understand it in no time. Let's dive in. Direct motion refers to a type of movement that is straightforward and without any detours or interruptions. It's often used in both everyday conversation and specific fields like astronomy or physics. In common usage, it implies moving from one point to another in the most direct or straight line possible. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some everyday examples. Imagine you're giving directions and you say, "Walk in a direct motion towards the park." This means to go straight towards the park without turning or stopping. It's about the simplicity and straightness of the route. In astronomy, direct motion has a special meaning. It refers to the apparent movement of a planetary body in a forward direction across the sky, relative to the stars. This is the normal movement of planets as observed from Earth, as opposed to retrograde motion, where the planet appears to move backward. Let's put our learning into practice. Here are a couple of sentences. 1. The satellite continued in its direct motion around the Earth, following a predictable orbit. 2. For the quickest route, maintain a direct motion down this road until you reach the intersection. These examples show how direct motion can be used in different contexts to describe straightforward, uninterrupted movement. And that wraps up our discussion on direct motion. I hope this video has made the concept clear and easy to understand. Remember, whether it's in daily conversation or specific subjects like astronomy, direct motion is all about moving in a straightforward, unswerving path. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.